Hi, I'm Daryl and I'm one of the bartenders here in Discovery Shores Boracay. Mostly you see me at 360 and Porno, and today I'm gonna teach you and show you how we make our shores meat. All you need is mint leaves, fresh mint leaves, lime, slices of limes. If you don't have limes, you can use lemon and sugar syrup, calamansi, and white rum. You can use any white rum, but today I'm going to use a Bacardi white rum. For the glass, you can use any glass at home, but today I'm going to use a rock glass. So first, take your shaker. If you don't have a shaker at home, you can use any tumbler, that's okay. So next, add 4 slices of lime. And you have to muddle it first to get the juice. Alright, and next let's add the mint leaves. So for me, I love to snap the mint leaves para yung aroma ay lalabas. Then let's add it. And next, add the calamansi juice, 15 ml of calamansi juice, and sugar syrup, 15 ml of it, and next, 45 ml of Bacardi white rum or any white rum. Give it a good stir. And let's add ice cubes. And let's give it a good shake. Alright. So get your glass and just pour it to your glass. Alright, that's it. Let's have a taste. Still the same. Shores Mojito, still the best. I hope you will enjoy making this at home. If you miss Discovery Shores Mojito, make this one at home. Enjoy your mojito. Please keep safe, stay at home, and drink at home. See you soon.